From today, you are not going to struggle with finding the next number in the sequence. Let's take an example of 7, 10, 13, 16, 19. And we want to find the next two numbers in this sequence. It is very simple. Look at the relationship between 7 and 10. Like, take the next number, 10 minus 7, it will give us 3. That means that we have added 3 here, plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13 plus 3, 16 plus 3, 19 plus 3, that is going to be 22. Then 22 plus 3, that's going to be 25. So those will be your next two numbers in a sequence as it is given. Then we can move on to 24, 23, 21, 18, 14. Find the next two numbers in the sequence. Take 24 minus 23. If you find that the number here is bigger than this, that means there is subtraction or division. When the first number is smaller than the next number, that means there is a multiplication or addition. So that is how we find out this. So this is minus 1. 23 to 21, that's minus 2. 21 to 18, that is minus 3. 18 to 14, that is minus 4. That means that you are going, the sequence is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. So 14 minus 5, that is going to give us 9. 9 minus 6, that's going to give us 3. Those are the next numbers in that sequence. If you have a next number like 3, 4, 6, 9, 13, and they want the next two numbers in this sequence, you know when it is increasing, it is a plus or multiplication. So here we have added plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. That means it is continuing, plus 5, plus 6. Sometimes you'll find when they are mixing up the sequences, for example, minus 1, minus 2, then plus 1, plus 2, like that, or minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2. So you need to be careful as you work out these numbers. So our next number here is 13 plus 5, that is 18, and 18 plus 6, that is 24. So those will be our next numbers in the sequence. So in the comment section, I want you to write for me the answers to the next two numbers in this sequence: 4, 8, 6, 12, 10, 20. Remember, sometimes the numbers are changing a little bit, so you need to be careful on how the sequence is moving. Thank you so much.